Hi, in this XtensionIT tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send your shipments from Business Central to your preferred shipping agent or carrier using our shipment connectors for Shipmondo, Webshipper, and nShift. So briefly, what we have added with the shipment connectors is a waybill section. And this waybill section, which I'll show you in a second, is available on the different types of order types that are available in Business Central. So in this case, we're using a sales order. However, it's also available on warehouse shipments, transfer orders, service orders, and posted sales shipments. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to run you through the waybill section, the different fields that are available, and when we've gone through them, we'll do a scenario. If we scroll down a little bit on the order here, we'll find the waybill section. Now in the waybill sections, we've got 7 different fields available to us. And this is just for the header of the waybill section. It starts out with the shipping agent, where the shipping agents that you have downloaded from your Shipping Hub account will be available to select from. That could be, for instance, PostNord, or it could be UPS, Dow, or DHL, or any of them that you have downloaded to your account. The next field is the shipping agent service. This is obviously related to the shipping agent codes. That depends obviously on which countries you're sending to. Then we've got the outstanding packages field, which is the field where you can define how many packages you want to send out to a given order. And if you are using a shipping agent service that uses pickup points, like a parcel shop service, then the bottom field here would be available, where you can select from the different pickup points that you have downloaded from your account as well. However, most of the shipping hubs prefer this field to be blank, because then they'll automatically use their algorithm and select the closest and best pickup point for the given order, depending on the receiver address. Then moving over to the right here, we've got the reference field. That's just the reference of the order that we're working on. The external reference is from, let's say you've got a Shopify integration or another type of web shop integration. Then if that order would be a web shop order, then it would be that ID from that web shop order that would be in the external reference number. In the receiver description field, users can type in a message for the shipping agent, such as the package can be set outside of the garage or something of that nature. Moving down, we've got the waybill lines section. This is where you can define the package that you're sending out. How much does it weigh? What are the dimensions like? Which package type is it, if that's needed, from the shipping agent. So that's sort of just a quick, brief run through of what the different fields are that we're working with. Now, in the case of the scenario I was mentioning before, I've sent up 2 items that we're going to send out. So the first thing I would do is I would select my shipping agent, and I'm going to select PostNord. Then once I do that, I will have the different services available from the PostNord shipping agent. And as it's a Danish customer, I'm just going to pick the parcel shipping agent service. Now that I've got 2 items that I want to send out, I'm going to type 2 into the outstanding packages field. And what that's going to do is it's going to automatically create or generate the amount of waybill lines to the amount of packages that I've said that I want to send out. So in the case it generates, it's also automatically generating 2 waybill lines. And it will take the weight of the items in our order and automatically distribute that on the various waybill lines that we've added. Now in this case, I have set up a standard package type for my parcel service, but this can always be, overwritten just like the shipping agent and shipping agent service. This particular package type comes with predefined dimensions, which I've set up on my own, but that just means that I don't have to re-enter this every time that I select this package type. So all that's left for me to do now is check whether my weight is correct on my package. And once I am certain that this is the weight, if I've weighed it, or maybe I just know that this is sort of the weight of these lamps going out, then I can go into Actions under Shipment and then click Send Shipments. You can also use the shortcut key Alt+P. Once I hit Send, I will get this confirmation, and it's just letting me know you're using PostNord as your shipping agent, the service code is parcel, you're sending out 2 packages, the total weight is 8.06 kilos, and the printer you're printing out on is this PDF test printer that I'm using. Once you hit OK, the information is then transferred to the shipping agent or the carrier, and in return we get the package tracking number for the shipment back into Business Central, as well as the shipment status has now been changed from open to reserved, indicating that the information, the data, has indeed been transferred correctly to the shipping agent. At the same time, you will get a label printed out equal to the amount of packages that you're sending out. So for each tracking number, there'll be a corresponding label. So that's the gist of it. That's the whole idea of the Shipment Connectors, and it's very simplistic in its nature and its use, and that's also the very idea of the Shipment Connectors. So that's all for this tutorial. If there are any questions, please leave them below, or if there's anything else, you can always reach out. If you'd like to see more videos such as this one, please follow the channel for more. Thank you.